Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second video of 2020. Woo woo! Yeah. I'm gonna be filming an unboxing. That's the school bus. I'm gonna be filming an unboxing because I got really sick for Black Friday through Christmas basically, and I haven't done any makeup, so I did not even want to open the stuff I bought for Black Friday until I could film it. And today is the day. First of all, beer of the day is Happy Anniversary from Sierra Nevada. Delicious. We got lots of boxes to get through, so let's get on in and get started. This is from Lime Crime, a little tiny cute box. They had some great sales over the holiday, so I picked up some stuff. Look how cute their boxes are, always so cute on the inside. I love it. And then I end up keeping their boxes, like everybody's boxes, forever, and I never use them. So that's my story. Oh yeah, I totally forgot even what I got, so this is gonna be great. So I got another Bushy Brows in Smoky, which is one of my 2019 favorites. If you just watched that video, then you'll know that I use it every single time in my brows, which is a brow gel, and it's great. I also got myself a Velveteen in Fangs, which is this like darker browny red color. Super cute. I do like their Velveteen lip liners. I have one that I got in like a set. It's really pretty. And then last but not least, I wanted to try their Software Blush, which I believe is a cream to powder blush. Yes. And I got it in the shade Zip. That's upside down. I got it in the shade Zip. And so hopefully that's super cute. So I'm so excited to try all of those. Next, Ulta box. I already opened it because I needed my eyeliner out of it, which is my favorite eyeliner of 2019, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Girl eyeliner. I'm not even gonna do a fake one. I have it actually on my eye. There's a wing for you and a highlight for you. Bam. Okay. That's what I got. Oh my god. What did I even get? Okay, so I don't know. I got 3 of these little Essence sponges, which I absolutely love. Favorite sponge of 2019 for sure. And oh, there is new stuff in here. Okay, I was like, did I only get like repurchases? Most boring unboxing ever. No. Okay, I got this really cute highlighter from Revolution. Is this Revolution Pro? No, it's Revolution. It's just Makeup Revolution. And this is their Iced Diamond Highlighter and Illuminator. And then I also got their Ruby Crush Highlighter, which just looks like, look at the packaging on these. They're so cute. I love Christmas time. You get all the cute stuff. I'm going to swatch those for you in just a second. What is this? Explicit content. What? Explicit? Oh, it's a Climax. Oh, it's a Climax. It's a duo. So from NARS, I love their Climax mascara, so I got the duo with the little one and the big one. And I can compare to see if the little one is better, because I do like travel size better most of the time. So I feel like the formula's not the same. So keep an eye out for that video for sure. And I also got some of the stuff from NYX from the Love Lust Disco collection. These are metallic liquid liners. Let's check those out first. The first one I got is called Metal Emotion. Haha. Yes. Never mind the fact I have concealer on my arm. Okay, it's definitely not opaque. Not that I was expecting it to be, but it is shiny. That could be really pretty to put over top of a black liner, possibly. I might do that. We shall see. But let's look at the other color, which I got, which is Raved Out. This looks like it's pink. I like pink. What do you guys think of my makeup? I think I turned out really cute. For not having done makeup in like 2 months, I think I did a pretty good job. My lip line is always messed up. Ignore it. Okay, so let's see. This one is in Raved Out. Okay, and again, not opaque whatsoever, so you would need to layer this over something. But I don't know that they claim to be my opaque. So that is that. Again, really reflective, really pretty. And then let's go ahead and try out these highlighters from Makeup Revolution. How do we even open it? Oh, I did it. Okay, it wasn't as hard as I thought. Or was it? No, it wasn't. What a wacky little box. This is cute though. It's like diamond shaped. That's because it's called a diamond highlighter, right? I don't know. So this is a little component. It's like the same as their baked bronzers and baked highlighters from before, but the impression is totally different. And it is 3D. Actually, looks kind of spiky, but let's go ahead. It's like I can't tell if the product's soft because it's such a spiky imprint on it. But okay, here we go. Whoa. Whoa, okay. It's a highlighter, right? Okay. Well, I don't think I could use that as a highlighter. It looks like either a neon, let's blend it out a bit, either like a neon blush or a highlighter. No, highlighter on dark skin definitely would be phenomenal. Neon blush or a eyeshadow, so we will definitely try that. And then let's get into the iced diamond highlighter, which is the other color I got. This is probably my actual shade. Because I'm pale as shit, and that's my story. Same exact component. Actually, you know what? I feel like they feel nicer than the older version, so maybe it's like an upgraded version. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! This is so like stunning. Okay. Not as opaque. Obviously, there's not as much color. It's white, but still super reflective. That is gorgioso. And that's my story about that. I guess I'll go into my other Ulta box. I have like 7. Don't worry. Don't worry. We got lots of Ulta boxes. I'm so excited. Okay, I don't care about this shit. Trash. Get thee away from me, Satan. So I got some Maneater mascara from Tarte, which I absolutely love. Not gonna open that right now. Y'all seen me use it before. And then I also got the Catch My Eye 6-piece eye brush collection from Morphe. Look at that cute galaxy moment. Pull her out. She looks like this. Oh, God. And I always want more eyeshadow brushes, even though I have 100,000. I can never have too many. That's my story. So what style do we get? It comes with a M426 brush. What the fuck is that for? Look at this brush. It's insane. I mean, of course I'm gonna try it out and see how it works, but like, it's so long. But it feels nice. We're gonna try it. I'm not gonna judge the book by its cover, even though I just did. This little dome utility brush, it's like an M321. I think I have this brush, and I love it. This little dude. It's an M167. It's called an oval shader brush. It is a little bit, probably too soft to do concealer with, which is not for. I think you could pack on shadow with it pretty well. Ooh, I like the looks of this one. This is a M433. Isn't that what James Charles always uses? It's like one of his favorites. I think it's a pretty legit, cute little brush. I don't know if I have that. I don't think I do. This is a M330 blending crease brush. Okay. And last but not least in this collection is the M5474 bullet crease brush. I think I do have this as well, maybe. Maybe it's a bigger version of the one I have. Anyway, super cute little brush set. I think it was super discounted too, that's why I got it. I'm gonna put it with my dirty brushes, so I make sure I clean them before I use them, because we don't want any eye infections. Not in this household. No, thank you. Yeah. Hi, beautiful. My wife just texted me. I sent her a picture of my makeup today. She's like, hi, beautiful. I was like, hi. How's it going? Ooh. Okay. This is so metallic and so pretty. Oh, it feels soft. Okay, I like that. I mean, I feel like Real Technique brushes are kind of weird shaped. Does anybody else feel that way? But they seem to work. So that's that collection. Super excited. Okay, and then the most exciting part of this box is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Vault, which comes with 2 eyeshadow palettes for $49, which is unreal. Right? That's out of this world. And they're palettes I've really been wanting to try. So it's kind of like its own little display thing. And then you open the drawer and bam, Modern Renaissance, which can you even believe I don't have that palette? And I do now. And then Soft Glam. So freaking cute. First of all, the component for this is way nicer than I was expecting. It's heavy and like gorgioso, so it'll look great. Let's see. Let's do Lunar Beauty. How about that? How random. They had mystery boxes. I don't remember if it was for Christmas or what. Is this shirt in it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it says the thing. It says the thing! Oh my god. Okay, I'm hoping my size. Okay. So I got a lip product. Obviously, it says Manny Moi with a little heart. It's their Aphrodite liquid lipstick. Oh my god, this box is legit. Okay. Oh my god. Hello component. I mean, you know they show you the components and they look pretty on the video or whatever, and I'm doing the same exact thing. This thing is heavy. Oh my god, it's gorge. What the freak? Okay. It's got the little clicky lid so that it like keeps the oxygen out even better. Oh, it's like a beautiful red. Smells like cake. Okay. What the fuck? That's a stunner. That is a freaking stunner. Wow. Okay. Okay, Manny, I see you. Yeah, did you hear that? Look. It clicks. So you know like it's really shut. That's so gorgeous. Lunar Beauty is Manny MUA's brand, if people don't know, which they should. And it is made in the USA and cruelty-free, which is just amazing. So I love that. Next, I got this little box. It's got a necklace in it. Oh my god, what? Okay. Is it rose gold? It is. It's a little rose gold moon. Oh, it's adorably cute. There's a little cake in the chain though. Okay, I'm sure that's fixable. Let's see. Yeah, got it. Okay. The chain just caked, so I couldn't move the actual charm. Okay. Look how cute. It's like this thing. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm wearing it right now. Manny, you did not disappoint. Look, it's the Greek goddess palette. Oh god, it's beautiful. And it came in really thick bubble wrap, so oh my god, it's so pretty. Fuck, man, that is, oh my god, the snakes have red eyes. I don't know if you could even see it on the camera. I didn't know. I gotta open it myself first. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, I'm gonna cry. Look at it. Ah! Okay, I am super excited to try everything I've gotten, but this is like, oh god, showstopper. Okay. And then I saved, I think, the last product because I'm just so excited about it. It's a t-shirt, in case y'all remember it. And I could puke over it. If you don't like it, then don't fucking watch it. And the giggle, oh my god, I love it. And on the back it has the Manny MUA. Oh my god, if you don't like it, don't fucking watch it. Thank you, Manny. 100%. We stand. It's a Jeffree box. It's the mystery box that everybody was so crazy about. So I kind of already know what's in it. I'm sure everybody else does too, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it because I have looked at something. So fuck it. I'm excited regardless of knowing what's in this mystery box or not. So how do you fucking open it? I don't know, it's hard. Oh, I see it's like that. Oh, whew. Okay, we got it. We did it. And woohoo! It's got green tissue. Cute. So effective. Are you fucking kidding me? No. 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 What the fuck? Oh my god! Jeffree! Are you fucking kidding me? I have a blue blood palette! I have a blue blood palette! I have the blue blood palette. Oh my god! I have been coveting this, but I wasn't gonna spend the money on it. God. Oh, it's so cute. Oh God, it's so cute. Okay. I'm screaming. You're hearing me. I'm screaming. I'm literally screaming my head off right now. Okay. I gotta calm down. Everything's fine. It's totally fine. I did not think this box could beat the Baby MUA box, but it did, so there you go. That's the drama on that, the tea on that. We have 2 liquid lipsticks. Looks like one is a holiday mystery and the other one is Queen Supreme. Oh my god, sign me up for Queen Supreme. Okay, opening it first because I already know what color it is and it's beautiful. Fuck my life. I love you, Jeffree. Oh my god, I'm like staring at blue blood. I can't stop. Okay, this is the mystery holiday color and wow, look at that. We have to swatch it. That's fucking stunning. Don't go crazy, okay? Oh my god, it's Christmas in a tube. Oh god, it's not even picking up the shimmer. I hate it. Why you do this? Why you do this? I can't even use my camera flashlight because it's like what I'm recording on. It's beautiful, just believe me, okay? It's beautiful. It's like metallic and phenomenal. Okay, we've made it to the end of this unboxing, guys. Thank you for sticking around with me through my drought of videos. Hopefully 2020 will be a wonderful year for videos, content, and growth, and I'm super excited. All these new products to play with, and I can't wait. If you guys have a preference as to what products you want to see me use first, please leave a comment down below. Comment down below in general. Just leave comments, okay? It helps us. It helps YouTubers. We love comments, especially when they're not hate comments. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, join the Darling Army. It's a fantastic place. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!